Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I will be explaining how to become a full-time trader. There's different things and different tips how you can get there faster rather than taking a long way around. But before we get any further into that, make sure if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We did get a bunch of subscribers in the past week or so, so that always motivates me to put out more videos and get some more content out to you guys. And go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Really helps with the algorithm. If you don't like it, you can thumbs down too. If you have any comments, any questions about what I'm talking about, go ahead and type them in the comments below. Be sure to sign up for our premium Discord room. I send out alert signals for stock options trading, and I do also have a main chat that is free, and I do send some alerts out there every once in a while, and a lot of other educational services for you guys. But so I just want to talk about how you can become a full-time trader. And the first thing I want to say, which is super important, is you have to be comfortable within your financial situation already. Trading is very emotional and it's highly intense. It takes a lot of brain power in order to stay, not emotional and stay stagnant throughout trades. But once you start trading, knowing that you need money by this Friday for rent or for anything like that, it really just messes up with your mind and how you think, and you get a little bit more emotional. I just notice how, when I'm trading a certain amount that I know that I'm comfortable with losing, or, I don't need to make money in order to pay my bills this week or this month or whatever, it really helps me just, kind of have more of a clear mind and be able to trade easier and be more successful. Honestly, my trading profits are a lot better when I'm not trading to hurry up and wire funds out and get money to pay bills. So that's step one. So with that, I would just say make sure you're comfortable within your financial situation already. It helps the emotional process of it. And the second part, which is kind of the first part also, be able to take your emotions out of things. If you really are an emotional person, trading will be hard for you because you are trading with your money, your funds, and that's something that is really close to people, and sometimes the emotions can get involved in there. So if you're able to take your emotions out of it a lot, you will really see drastic changes within your trading. Not being emotional and not getting scared out of trades. A lot of times, a lot of market fake outs. There's dips. There's a lot of things going on. And that will go ahead and segue me into my third thing is you have to know about trading. To become a full-time trader, you can't just do it for a couple months and think, okay, I'm going to be a full-time trader now. A lot of time it takes traders years to become profitable. So you have to put the time and the work in. So like I was talking about before, being in step two of it and not being emotional. And that is, when you are seeing some things or a chart dip by or something like that, knowing about stocks, knowing about charting, you can know that, okay, this is just a dip right here. The stock's going to continue to go up. The stock is exhausted. But if you don't know about stocks and how charts move, and you don't do your homework, you would think that's a whole reversal, and it's not. It's just a small pullback, and in order for the stock to go higher, so you might go ahead and sell your position on that pullback, and next, it bounces, it goes higher. You're always thinking, man, every time I sell my position, the stock goes up, and that's not the case. It's just that you're getting scared out of these trades, and there's a lot of market manipulation going on. It's a lot of big guys in the market that are here to shake little guys like you and I out of the market just so they can get a better price for things. So the more you have education on things, and you're on your P's and Q's, you know exactly what's going on, and it's constantly educating yourself. I've been trading for a while, just about 10 years now. Following the market for like 12, trading about 10 years now. And I'm still, soaking in and learning things about the stock market. The stock market is such a vast place of different financial instruments. So you just want to go ahead and make sure within your world. So I know I trade stock options. So anything with stock options that can help me trade better, I want to know. I want to know about, the new indicators in your charts. I want to figure out, be able to know its patterns, reading in level 2 of things. Those are all just little things that help me trade throughout my day. And those are some of the 3 main steps it takes to become a full-time trader. And I would say step 4, and step 4, which might be the last one instead of 5, but sometimes you just have to take that leap of faith. It's not the easiest thing in the world. Some days, some weeks, you might not be profitable. You might not be able to take profits or wire out funds, and that just comes with being a trader. You don't have every month or every 2 weeks you're getting that paycheck. That's not there. you know. But the good thing is, excuse me, the good thing is I know when I wake up in the morning, there's an exponential amount of money that I can make. I'm not capped off, you know. I'm not thinking into my head, okay, well, I get paid, you know, $10 an hour. I'm only going to make, you know, maybe 100, maybe $80 today, my 8 hour shift or whatever, you know, whatever it might be, wherever it is. How, I don't know how much people get paid for an hour now, really, but that's what gets me up in the morning, keeps me excited, knowing that there is no ceiling for me for, you know, how much money I can make in a day, you know. And another thing that keeps me going is if I do have a bad red day, I know that okay, if I lost X next, you know, so and so amount today, I know that I can make that money in the same day. So that's how I go ahead and keep a good spirit about things, and keep them positive mindset. A lot of times you might have a bad trading day. You just have to, you know, close your laptop, close your computer, and just go outside, you know, go for a walk or do anything to take your mind off it, and just know that tomorrow is a new day. And you can't take those same emotions from the day before into the next day within training. But those are just 4 quick little tips. I feel like I could have made this a series too about how to become a full-time trader and how I'm able to full-time trade. Like I said, guys, main thing is, you know, putting in that time, putting in your work, continue due diligence, taking emotions out of things, and just, you know, being financially stable within your position. If you're trying to trade because you need money right now, and you're trying to flip, you know, a small account to a big account really fast, it's not going to work like that. Too many emotions are going to be involved. So as long as you just take your time, put the work in, you'll be well on your way, and continue to educate yourself. Continue to watch YouTube videos. There's a lot of education out there on YouTube. There's a lot of books out there. If you are in, like, for example, my Discord channel, there's a lot of knowledge guys that know what they're doing, so you guys can ask questions in there. Just finding education and finding help from different sources and different ways will definitely help you out. But guys, thanks for watching this quick little video. I will probably give another video too, giving some more tips on how to become a full-time trader. But once again, if you aren't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and like this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. That helps out the algorithm. And thanks for watching, guys.